That's what's gonna catch a blaze. Here's how you start an epic fire with the newspaper. Oh yeah, it's starting, guys. Yeah, here's the crew, here's the crew. Yo, check out the bonfire. All right, we got the fire going now. Yo. Oh shit. Whoa, look at that.